Hey friends, if you wish to fix the black camera screen issue on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. So right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the privacy and security tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, scroll down and select camera, and then make sure that this switch is turned on for camera access and this switch is turned on for let apps access your camera. Now turn on this switch for camera as well. This will allow the camera app permissions to use your webcam. Otherwise it will be black. Now let's see if it helps. So I'll go to the camera app and then I'll give permissions by clicking on yes and then on yes once again, and it is recording me. The next thing that you can do is to search for device manager in the Windows search bar and open the device manager. After opening the device manager, expand the camera app. Right click on it and select update drivers. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.